What the fuck is that? Dude. What the fuck is that?
Birds came by.
It actually looks like a flock of birds shit on me. What is that though?
It's bird poop.
No, it ain't. You throw sand. What is it? You're washing it. Damn it! What did you use to do this?
Dude, I don't know.
How did I not see you? God damn it! Get away from my shit. Yeah.
It is bird shit.
What is that?
It's bird shit.
I better wash off,
You're still doing it.
dude. What is it though? Seriously.
It's bird poop.
Bird poop.
What is that?
Bird
Stuff?
poop. It's bird poop.
Bird poop.
Better not miss a spot either. Take do it over.
What a great wife you have. She